Hello guys, this is Jonathan Steadman, and basically I want to show you guys the first ever game I have ever created with Python. So it's quite outdated, but basically the aim of the game is to that we need to dodge these red cars, and your red car will self. So what you need to do is try to dodge these red cars. If these red cars hit you, then it will die because it crashed. So basically to dodge them, we need to move to the right or to the left and make sure they do not hit you. And by the way, to go faster, we need to press on the up arrow. So if you want to go faster, then do that. If you want to go slower, then click onto the back arrow, and we should move slower. So this game was actually the first ever game I have completed without any help, but it took me a long time to get this working. It took me ages to get this first ever project of mine without any help working, so it took ages. It does no longer get any updates no more, because obviously I don't like it and I don't want to update it no more. So it's unsupported since 2020, but yeah. Okay, let's try to play this game. So as you guys can see, this is a game. Oh gosh, it's so bad. Yes, I dodged this car. Now we can go fast. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they were different colors. Just look how amazing that looks. Oh gosh, this is super impossible. How am I supposed to make this? What have I done? No. Oh gosh, no. This is super important. How am I supposed to make this? What have I done with this car? Oh my god. Oh, I see. I see what I did. Okay. So basically, this is basically how I did this. Is that we're meant to dodge them? Oh, I know I died. So every time when I die, the game crashes. Isn't that amazing? When the game just crashes whenever we do die. I like the way it's not even aligned correctly. Like, look at this. You can just see that. We can see some of that blue over here. Here we go a little bit more faster, and now we can move like this very quickly. So it's a bit risky, but it's worth it to get that a lot quicker. Okay, we can go all the way down again, and we can just mess around with that, and we can even move around if we wanted to. Oh no, okay. We were a bit too close. Oh no, we're not going to make this, aren't we? Oops. Let me go back down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because they get deleted, don't they, when they're at the bottom. No, okay. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, alright, let's delete that one. Okay, good. And now what we can do is go all the way up here, and now we can just... No, I died. So this is a very silly game with a few glitches and a few issues with it, such as this blue outline you can see is not even aligned correctly. But it's just a very basic game that I have created. Oh no, I crashed again. So yeah, I'm completely a noob at this game. I'm going to play it like 2 more times because I kind of am addicted to this. By the way guys, you can download this. It is open source, even if the source code is not available, but I'm probably going to laugh at the source code anyway. I probably will upload the source code soon anyway, so it's not a huge problem. It's just that it's been corrupted on GitHub. It's not really was working from there. This is gonna be hard, because I can't delete any of these cards. Oh wait, they go down. Okay, yeah. Now I should be able to go up. Oh no, I didn't dodge that one. I love this game a lot. No. Let's try not to die. Yes, I'm doing it. Oh no, I don't want to hit that car. Okay, good. Now we can go up again. Oops. What I should have done was added a timer. Hold on, this in the background for some random reason. But yeah, I should have added a timer so that way guys can see how long we have survived for, and how long it took till we died. So yeah, this will be a call as a challenge sort of thing, so that way guys can play with your friends. Maybe I could do that in the future, but not anytime soon, because I don't really want to update this anytime soon. I just want to show you guys the first ever game I have ever created with Python, and I like it. So it's a lot of fun. I sometimes play it on my Arch Linux system, but yeah, this is amazing. I love it. Oops. Oh, we crashed. Sadly, we have crashed. Okay, so basically, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and before I do end this video, I just want to show you guys an amazing picture I have ever created, and this is what it is. By the way, I use Arch. And this is truly, truly a great profile picture. It is one of the best profile pictures out there. If you love it, then please subscribe and like this video. And this will tell me guys that you love my new profile picture. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully that will guys play the game and give me some feedback so that way I can keep on improving my open source projects, because I love making open source projects as it gives people freedom of speech, and also because I just want people to learn from these projects as well as me learning from them as well. So I like everything to be open source. So yeah, you guys can download this for free. It's only on Linux, you can't download it on Windows, but you guys can probably make your own version of it anyway, so it's not a huge problem. It's just super basic. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of it as the first ever game I have ever created with Python. So anyway guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.